Is the Daily Watch video app really an easy way to earn $10 fast, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about this app. So I decided to test it, and in this Daily Watch video app review, I'll give you an inside look and show you what you can really expect, show both the pros and the cons, and then you can decide for yourself if you should download this app or not. So let's start by going over who can join. And the Daily Watch Video and Earn Money app, that's the name, a little bit like the weird long name, but it is only available for Android devices through the Google Play Store. And also you see that it just explains itself that you can watch videos and earn coins, and you can convert it into real money. So it looks like, a fun way to earn some extra money, but let's see what it then really offers, because there are some important details you need to consider. So I'll just log into the app and show how it works. So I have now logged into the app, and one thing that I was concerned about is that it asks for permission to your photos and media. I have no idea why it asks for that, because any earning apps in general, like, why would they ask for permission to access that? Like, I have definitely said no, because I don't know what they would use that access for. Why would I allow them access to my photos? I'm just using the app to earn. But anyways, that's just a little bit side rant, because I always get suspicious when things like that happen. But let's now focus on the earning options, because you can see there are many different ways to earn. But I was expecting from the description of the app and also the name Daily Watch Video and Earn Money that this was all about watching videos to earn. But I can't actually find any option like that. There's at least like a check-in, there's some coin there, there's a lucky spin, there's a flip card, scratch card, like all kind of things there, and there's no watching videos. I actually have a video about the best ways to earn by watching videos, so I'll also leave a link to that in the top corner so you can check that out. But for now, let's then look at what can you then do. Let's just see like this lucky spin, and if we see that, then I just spin it here. And then we have to wait and see. And then I earn some coins, and I earn 3,500. And then I can claim coins, or I can double it, and then I can watch an ad. But the thing is, like, if I just claim them, I'll still have to watch an ad. If I want to claim twice the amount, I still have to watch an ad. So you might as well get the double off of it. So I'll just claim 2 times, and then an ad pops up that keeps popping ads up. In general, you just navigate around in here. But anyways, now I'll just jump out there. Now it didn't even count the earnings, I think, there. You see, okay, let's just try another one. Let's try the scratch card. You see, the whole thing is the same, right? There's like super easy tasks, but it's all about you winning coins, and then, they want you to watch ads, and that's how they make money. So you just need to wait, it will load, and then you will potentially get the coins. But right now, I'm not even getting any coins. They're not even counting. They're not showing any ads, and they are not counting any money or any coins you see in the corner. It doesn't change. But when I started testing it, it did do that. And right now, when I logged in as well, a lot of spammy ads popped up. And this just shows the app is just buggy. But maybe you could live with that if you could withdraw your money. Of course, it's worrying that you actually don't count there, but maybe that's just because they don't have any ads showing right now. That could be, but then they should have clear terms about that, or should have a pop-up saying that, because if not, you'll just sit and do all kind of tasks without getting paid, which doesn't make sense. So make sure to keep an eye on the coins and if you actually earn, because if not, it doesn't make sense. But does it even make sense no matter what? Let's talk about that, because for that we need to look at the payout options. So if you click to the withdraw money there, you can go in there, and then we can click to withdraw, and then you have different options. And PayPal, let's look at that. So you can get $10, and the tasks are easy, yes. But look here, it says 4 million coins to earn $10. 4 million coins. And if you're lucky, you'll get like 1,000 coins here and there. But I have no idea how long that would take. But the tasks are annoying, the pop-up ads are annoying, and you would spend probably days or weeks or maybe even months to to get to that level and have watched so many different ads, and you see sometimes they don't even like count the points there. So honestly, I cannot say for sure whether you will get paid or not. I'm not too concerned about that, to be honest, because what I'm concerned about is here that I can just see that it's not worth the time. I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I know that there's no point in trying to reach 4 million coins here. It will take forever, and in that time I could have earned hundreds of dollars by using other platforms instead. So personally, this is not an app I would use. So to sum it all up, Daily Watch Video and Earn Money has a confusing name because there's actually no way to earn by watching videos inside the platform. There are other kind of small tasks that are easy to do, yes, but there's a lot of pop-up ads and you earn really low rewards for your time. I do like that it pays in PayPal cash, but the amount of time you have to invest to earn $10 is just not worth it. If you want to earn money by watching videos, I do have a video about that. I will leave a link to that below. I will also leave a link below to a list I have on my website of the best get paid to sites and service sites in different countries, so you can check that out and see for yourself which options that are more effective if you're just looking for a way to earn some extra money as soon as possible. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.